We'll guide you through how to use Krita Desktop, the powerful open-source painting program. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer and you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Here, you can create a new file by clicking on New File, or open an existing one by selecting Open File. When creating a new file, you'll see options to set your canvas size, resolution, and color model. Once your canvas is ready, you'll see the main workspace with a toolbar on the left, a color palette on the right, and layers and brushes panels on the bottom. To start drawing, select a brush from the toolbar. Krita comes with an extensive set of brushes that you can explore by clicking the Brush Presets button. You can also customize your brushes by adjusting settings like size, opacity, and flow. If you're working on a complex project, layers will be your best friend. You can create new layers by clicking the New Layer button in the Layers panel. This allows you to make changes without altering the original artwork. To zoom in and out of your canvas, use the Control key along with the plus or trident keys, or use the mouse scroll wheel. For quick navigation, press the spacebar to access the hand tool and move around your canvas. Krita also includes a variety of selection tools, like rectangular and freehand, which you can find in the toolbar. These help you make precise edits to specific areas of your artwork. Don't forget to save your work regularly. Go to File and choose Save As to save your project in Krita's native format, or export it as an image file like PNG or JPEG. With these basics, you're ready to start creating amazing digital art with Krita. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.